I'm going to show you how to change out the bright headlight lamps in a 2013 to 2015 LX570 with the premium package. These do have HID low beams and a 9005 halogen high beam. First thing you're going to want to do is take off the engine covers. And I have taken you're going to have to take the battery out. I've got a little portable battery jump box hooked up so I don't have to reset radio settings. Then you're going to take this gray dust cover off. You just twist it counterclockwise, pull that off. You're going to need to loosen this wiring harness connector down here to get the wiring harness out of the way. Loosen the wiring harness connector. You twist the dust cover counterclockwise. Take the dust cover off. You're going to reach in here and twist the headlight lamp socket counterclockwise, and you pull it out. And just disconnect it from the wiring harness. I'm putting these new Sylvania 9005 Silver Star Ultra lamps in. The lamps that were in it were pretty dull. We'll see how these do. You're just gonna put it back in the socket by feel. Use a mirror if you have to. Put the dust cover back on. Over here on the passenger side, it's the same thing. Loosen this cable connector up. Rotate the dust cover counterclockwise. Twist the lamp and connector counterclockwise. Pull it out. Replace the lamp. No, I'm not using gloves. I'm being very careful not to touch the lamp. Lamp and connector in there securely, you'll know it, you'll feel it. Put the dust cover back on. Twist and lock. Put the cable this wiring harness back in this clip, and you're done. Put your engine covers back on. You're good to go. There you go, all done, button back up. I hope this helps you. There's no videos about this particular model with this trim that I found. Hope it helps you save some frustration in the parts store parking lot. When I looked up that they were a 9005 bulb, and I couldn't figure out how to change them out at the parts store parking lot. So I'll update you on the whether they were brighter at night in the comments. Thanks.